What is going on, Get Fat fam? Ron with Get Fat Food here, on the road again. Look what we got. Woo, boy.
I should show you a drink.
What you know about that?
Perfect.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Got me some Coke. Yes. You want to show? Oh, look. Here, you show them like this. See, look at this, guys.
Look at this, guys.
Check them.
Check them.
So, we got some Raisin Canes.
Yes.
I love me some coleslaw.
Yummy chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get situated here. It just comes with one sauce.
Now the extra one from baby. He doesn't want it.
Okay. Just so you guys can see. Some ketchup on my
Yummy.
fries.
Yummy chicken.
All right, guys. Sorry, nice and quiet now. Texas toast, coleslaw,
Chicken.
cane sauce, chicken fingers. I don't know why I'm doing that. Actually.
Exactly.
Yummy chicken.
Mm.
It has chicken in there. Wait, that is salmon. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Mm.
That is good. Mm. Coleslaw. Don't forget, this is Good Fat Food, where we eat like pigs. Just a little bit of class.
Doesn't have enough.
This, by the way, is called the box combo. Comes with what? 4?
Mm-hmm.
4 chicken strips. I think it makes it look a little crazier because we're really, really hungry.
Mm-hmm.
We've been waiting all day.
Mm-hmm.
We had to get the car fixed, but we went to like a dealership. Takes forever.
Because we go.
Are you eating, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm. It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
I see
This is good.
boy. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Don't even say nothing.
What?
I saw you look at him. Look at you. Excuse me. Oh my god. It's so good, you guys. Nice bite of chicken. What? Okay. Check out my channel. You guys see that? I killed it like a boss, bro. Box combo, nothing. Well, you guys, that was it. You just watched a video of me scarfing down Raising Cane's. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Again, that was Raising Cane's on the road, scarfing it down like a boss. Thanks very much again for watching. I do videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and smash the like button, please, for the YouTube algorithm. It is free to you, so please do. Thanks. Excuse me. Keep safe and healthy. Support your local businesses. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.